Okay, we proceed. So now we are busy with the trading account, the departmental trading account. Okay, so we are still busy with the same question. Right, obviously with the trading account, we are going to have to do the revenue. So sorry, we're going to start with revenue. So basically the trading account is whereby you take your revenue, you less your cost of sales, then you get your gross income. So that's your trading account. Okay, so excuse me, let me just do it this way. I'm going to start with the oils. Okay, so with the oils, obviously we are going to be taking the 5 million, then we are going to have to minus your sales returns, which is 250,000. So less 250,000. And we also have to minus the discount granted to customers, 375,000. Okay, then we need to check. Is there anything? Can you F Dlamini, a wholesaler, returned fragrance oil value 300,000. No entry has been made. So with that, those are sales returns. So meaning we have to minus more sales returns, which is for 300,000. So this is actually for fragrance oil. Yep. Let me just increase. Yeah. Okay. We still have the purchases account here. Let me just hide it. Okay. So now, yeah, that's where we're working. Number. Okay, something went wrong here. Oh, it's a minus here. Yep. Yeah, it looks like we are good. Yes, we are good. Right. Then I'm still here on I'm still on revenue, but now let us do the soaps. So it's the soaps. Okay, with soap, obviously we have revenue, it's 1,150,000. So it's 150 minus the sales returns. Let us check the price. Sales returns is 52,345. So it's 52,345 minus, and let's check the settlement discount is 10 granted. So it was granted to customers. So it's 10,000. Check if there's anything else regarding our body soaps. I don't think there's anything else here. Custom duty, carriage and sales is something else. It's just the normal expense. This is inventory. Yeah. So I think we are done here. Okay. Right. Yeah. It looks like that's the amount we have for our. Let me just no. Let me do that. Yeah. So that's the amounts we have for our revenue. So let me just add the two to get the total. Obviously, we then less cost of sales. So we then need to less our cost of sales. We less cost of sales, right? To get cost of sales, remember this is a periodic inventory system, meaning you're going to start with opening stock. So opening inventory, that is, I just need to get the old terminology out of my system. Inventory. So opening inventory, obviously we're going to get that on our extract. So it does say inventory on 1, so it's the beginning, so it's 85,000 here. So it's 85,000. Sorry, this is for fragrance, 85,000. And then for it's 9,000 for body soaps. Obviously, with purchases, we've already done purchases. So obviously, it's opening stock plus purchases. Plus purchases. Okay, we've already done our purchases account. And yeah, I'm just going to take these amounts as they are. So for body fragrance, obviously, you're going to take this 234. And sorry, no, this is the total. My mistake. It's actually for fragrance, it's 184,900 or 1,849,000. And then for body soaps, it's 485,000. So yeah. Okay, let me not hide the purchases. Right, obviously, we then add the two. So we take the purchases straight from the trading account. Remember, it's written trading. Sorry, from the purchases account, and we're putting it in the trading statement. So we take them as they are. Nope, I put it in the wrong place. This is supposed to go under purchases. Yes, so we just take the amount as it is from the trading statement, that is. Okay, we move. So now we need to move. Obviously, it's opening inventory plus purchases plus carriage and purchases plus import duty plus custom duty minus closing stock. So let us check which items we have. Yes, we do have carriage and purchases. So we are going to be adding carriage on purchases. So plus carriage on purchases. Okay, we're gonna check for adjustments. Is there any adjustments for carriage and purchases? Okay, we've already dealt with this. Right, import duty, no carriage and sales. We're not gonna mind this. And then this is the closing inventory. So the only thing we have is it's the import duty. So with carriage and purchases, we're gonna slot in the amounts as they are. Right. So carriage and purchases 290,000 and 15,000. So 290 and 15,000. Okay. We move. Now it's import duty. Okay, with import duty, it's 157,995. 157,995. So it's 157,995. Sorry, I think there was an adjustment before I even start. Okay, let us get the adjustment. It says import duty is still outstanding on body soaps, 25,075. So meaning it's 35,600. So import duty on body soap, 35,600 plus we are going to be adding the 25 and 75, 25,075. So yeah, that's the import duty for body soaps. Okay, it's fine. It's 35,600 plus 25 and 75. So this is what we get. We actually get let me confirm. Right. Yeah, import duty still outstanding on body soaps, 25,075. And we already have 36,000. Sorry, I saw that coming. We already have 36,000. Yeah, let's just add. Yes, This is correct. Then now I need to add I need to slot in the import duty for fragrant oils, 157,995. 157,995. So let me get the total. Even with carriage and purchases, let me get the total. Opening stock, let me get the total. Yeah, okay. And then we move. We move. Okay. And we now need to less closing stock. So we took purchases, we added, we took opening stock, we added purchases, we added carriage and purchases, and we also added imports duties. Right? So now, sorry, my phone is giving feedback, so it's hard to record. So yeah, sorry about that. Right. So now what we need to do is less the closing stock. Closing inventory. Okay, with closing inventory, obviously, we are going to be taking this adjustment. So we are done with this. So we are going to be taking inventory as per inventory records on 30 June 2024, which is fragrance oil, 566,570. 570. Okay, we are lessing it, so I'm going to put a minus. So you're supposed to put it in brackets. Also with body soaps, 144,600. 144,600. Yeah. So we can then add these two. Yep. So now all of this must be added together. Yeah, all of this must be added together to get cost of sales. So I need this amount to be in brackets. So I'm just gonna say minus. Yeah. So basically, yeah, that's the amount for the that's the amount for the cost of sales. It's 181 and then 42,000. Yeah, 425,075. Yep. So we are now good to go. So in order for us to get the gross profit or loss, so in order for us to get the, okay, let me just put in what is the final amount. To get the gross profit or slash loss, we are supposed to then take revenue minus cost of sales. So that is how this question is done. So yeah, I think we are good. I hope this session helped you guys understand departmentals. But these sessions are used as a revision. they are not the main lessons, because you actually do study accounting with your lecturers during class. So I'm just making sure that you guys get more resources so that you can pass the final exam. So thank you for listening. Until next time, I will be doing another question about departmental to help you understand the departmental income statement.